Hey everybody, just doing some recessed lighting here in the house and came across a couple different videos on a little how-to and tricks of the trade. What I have found to be easiest, there was two things. On one video they said run your drill in reverse to score the sheetrock and the paper. That way you don't get that like jolt, when you go to stick the teeth into the sheetrock for the first time and then it jumps out and it tears up your ceiling. And then the second thing, it was actually down in the comment section of that same video, and the guy said put a cardboard box around your drill. Now I don't have an extension piece on the end of my drill to make this longer, so what I had to do was just make the hole a little bit bigger and actually stick the entire drill up through this box. But it works really well. So I'm going to show you first reverse, and then we'll go through and drill the hole. Then I'll show you that it pretty much catches everything. Alright, so that's the first drill hole, just to score the paper going in reverse. And then we'll switch it and go in the other direction. We'll cut it the rest of the way. Got a start on that one. Alright. And as for all the stuff, it all gets stuck in the box.